This next video I'm making, we're going to talk about spending time with your bulldogs, baby. You have to spend time with your bulldogs to bring the best out of them. This is a game-bred American Pit Bull Terrier, so she has a lot of fucking energy. Come on, Dior. Let's go. So, you guys, I spent a lot of time with this bitch right here. A lot of time. Put a lot of time in with my dogs. And if you guys want to bring the best out of them, I mean, how the hell are you going to know what your dogs are capable of if you don't spend time with them? Look at her. So here's that dog barking over here in one of these buildings. I mean, she be on it. She's on it. She always getting fucking tangled up, man. Stay getting tangled up. Yeah. Look at the Dior. She wants to go up there and play soccer. Look, she sees those guys up there. Dog park and playground. All right, mama. Here's the other part of the dog park here. I'm gonna go ahead and walk her. Come on, Dior. I'm gonna go ahead and walk her over here. See this, guys? You gotta spend quality time with your dogs. Take your dog for a walk, man. Nothing wrong with it. Work your dogs, man. Make sure you get your shots up to date. Shit like that. Why are you walking in the dog park with no dog? You know, it's very important. Come out here, man, with your hounds, with your dogs, man. Dior. Yeah, man, she's a nice little lake in here. Come on, crazy bitch. Come on. Yeah, nice little lake, man. I wish I could let her go swimming in there, but I don't want to get in no trouble. Come on, Dior. I wonder what that is down there. Oh, it's like a well, something like that. The water comes in. Come on. She's like, I'm taking my dog down here. Come on, man. She just gets crazy. Every crazy bitch, man. Come on, Dior.